always starts with a simple search, a rabbit hole you didn't mean to go down. You start reading about the ghost of the flats. Fast, elusive, near impossible to spot, until it's already running off with your backing. And then you find it, a tiny dot of sand and palm trees thousands of miles from anywhere, sitting in the middle of the Indian Ocean, Alphonse Island, the ultimate arena. No more screens, no more dreaming, time to put the fly on the water.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good in yourself?
Good, man. Welcome aboard, sir.
Thank you so much.
Stepping off that plane, the heat hits you first. Then the smell of salt and crushed coral. You're standing on a tiny strip of land in the middle of the Indian Ocean. You've read about it, you've zoomed in on Google Earth, but nothing prepares you for seeing this water in person. Fly rods are built, leaders are tied, every piece of gear in your hands feels charged. The waiting is over. It's time to find that first ghost. They call them ghosts for a reason. You don't target the fish, you target their shadow. And when they take, there's nothing else like it. Anglers widely regard Alphonse Island and the adjoining St. Francois Atoll as one of the premier saltwater bonefishing destinations in the world. The bonefish population is exceptionally dense with unmatched numbers. Anglers frequently report landing 20 to 50 plus bonefish in a single day, making it an ideal destination for both seasoned fly fishers seeking high volume and beginners learning how to target flat species. Firm white sand wading, unlike heavily grassed or muddy bottoms found in other global fisheries, St. Francois offers over 10,000 acres of hard white sand flats. The average bonefish ranges between 5 to 7 pounds, often 60 plus centimeters in length, providing a substantial fight on light tackle. Alphonse is a forgiving fishery because the flats experience relatively low fishing pressure with restricted rod limits per week. The bonefish are famously willing to eat well-presented flies without the extreme skittishness seen in heavily pressured Caribbean destinations.
Yo, a nice bone here, bro. Yo, it's fine. Got one kingy bone here. Come on, Bonzo. A lot of bones here, eh? It's a nice bone, eh? Mind taking a photo of this one? Mind taking a photo of this one? It's a solid one. Where's your fly box, boy? Eh? What happened to I don't need my fly box to catch a fish? Yo, this is a big bone, bro. You can see. Big bones, those.
Alphonse Island isn't just a destination on a map, it's where the search ends.